Hi guys, it's GameDan25. I'm going to make the Volcano sound test because I know some of you guys actually want to hear how does it sound when it's actually playing music. So I'm going to use my phone as a volume recorder or something like that, so you guys can actually hear what it sounds like and how it performs. Unfortunately, I can't use like known artists or well-known artists, should I say, because it is copyright. So hopefully by this video it will be fine, and I will show some different ways on how to use the sound and so on. So let me show you guys how does it look and how does it sound. So yeah. Okay, so this is a speaker and I'm going to plug it in with a flash drive. This is just a normal 16 gig USB 2.0, but you can use about 3.0. You can use 2.0 and your old flash drives, but still works. But I'm using the 3.0 for the device. Yeah. So it is a bit difficult doing this with one hand and keeping the camera, so I have to just plug it into the USB section and I think it's it. I'm gonna switch it on. So this is playing straight from the USB section.
That's good.
Going to put it a little bit softer. Okay, that just changed the sound. Okay, that's a little bit softer. So put it a little louder. Okay, so you can see there's the buttons. The light is on. Switch it off and remove the flash drive. Like I said, you can use any type of flash drive. Maybe one what wasn't working or so. So now I'm gonna switch it back on. Oops. As you can see, it's searching for a USB connection. I am going to connect it now to the PC. I just need to find something. Okay, that is the sound what it makes when it's connected to a PC or to a phone or any of those compatible devices of the show. So hopefully this will work out and you guys can see. Actually, yeah. So basically that sound, I'm not gonna put it louder as it is probably loud here.
That's good.
Okay, it's as loud as it can get. Let's play something different. Okay, so basically that's how it sounds. I'm going to put it soft, on softest. Hopefully it makes a sound. Okay, that's the sign to say that it is soft. And as it off, as you can see, no light. So basically that is what it sounds like. Unfortunately, I can't show you like a bass music or so, but hopefully this did help you decide if you want to decide to go for this Volcano or if you want to go for the bigger ones. So yeah, as you can see, it's a Volcano fabric type. This feel like material. But yeah, like and subscribe if you like this video and may you decide to go for this one. Don't let anyone bring it down. Always try and stay positive. And yeah, cheers guys.